Crunchified Clean friends, what do you do when you're out of your eco-friendly disinfectant? You make more. That's what I love about Force of Nature. It comes with the little packets. I just put it in tap water and I let it go and it makes its magic. Check my other videos on how it explains how it makes salt and vinegar into an EPA registered disinfectant that kills viruses and germs and bacteria and smells very light and clean and is eco-friendly and is just amazing. Fast forwarded that video. I fast forwarded it. I can't wait to see what the captions say for that. Anyway, that's fast forwarded by around 8 minutes for it to do its little thing. And then I put it in my bottle and there you have it. I have my disinfectant that I use to disinfect handles and toilet seats and yucky stuff that gets touched common areas that get touched. Anyway, Force of Nature, stay crunchified clean. Check out my website for more information if you want to buy it.